Hey guys, just wanted to remind you that this is a little compilation of all the best moments from these videos I've been making for my other channel. Basically, there's this thing called Vita where you make a vlog every day in April, and I've been doing that, so here's a little compilation of the best moments. You can go to that channel and check it out for the rest of each of these videos, and they're pretty cool, so I suggest you do that. Anyway, thank you. There's a link in the description if you want to go check those out, and enjoy it. Play something cool. Yay! Dear Dad, please don't ever tape notes to my Rubik's Cube again. Thank you. Our neighbors have chickens. So for drumline, in case you don't know, we have this like giant tarp thing that we pull out, a floor, and it's like painted with a design on it. So right now we're gonna repaint part of it because we ran out of paint last time we were doing it. And let's just suffice it to say that it looks kind of dumb right now. Hopefully we get to pull it out and paint it so that I can show you what I mean. All right guys, let's do this. And here you can see where we ran out of paint. Somehow the only place I got paint while painting that whole floor was right here. Alright, so at the end of the thing, we have to like salute these other people. This is what we were thinking of maybe doing. Go ahead. Oh, that, okay, duck. Okay, so we did it. We participated.
Participation, boys.
Woo. Yeah, that's code for last place. I was gonna set up all this stuff in here so I could just get right to filming, but then I got distracted by this new tripod. Well, I just beat my average of 5 personal best and average of 12 personal best one-handed. So I guess that means I can post that other average of 5 one-handed that I did a couple days ago to this channel, and I'll save the PB for my main channel. I was not prepared for this. You know,
Mom raised us to perform in front of crowds, but I don't think I've ever had literally an entire city crowded into a single block before. Maybe they'll make a movie about it. I can see it now. Birdman.
Do you ever feel that you've come to a door in your life and you don't know what's on the other side, but then someone takes you there, and once you're there you realize, well, maybe this isn't where I wanted to be, because you've realized that where you are right now is just a filler, if you will, something you're doing. Perhaps something you shot and edited in less than an hour, and then recorded a voiceover in one take, and you realize that all it is just filler. Like the grout between the bricks in this wall, it's just filler, and it will never be anything more than that. No matter what sad music you play, or how dramatically you speak, this will never be a metaphor, or anything more. Thank you.